So, are you a small business owner? Finding sales really slow and things a bit tough at the moment? Let me tell you something new that I've been trying for my small business. Hi, my name is Kiara and I run the small business Who Be New. We specialise in personalised pet products and pet gifts, and I've been wanting to try print on demand for a really long time. But I had a number of questions that were holding me back, and I'm hoping that I can answer the questions that I had for you guys in this video in case you've had the same questions.
Thank you to Gelato for sponsoring this video. I decided to choose Gelato as my print-on-demand partner because I really loved their brand and I thought their website was simple and easy to use. It was very quick for me to connect all of my various different storefronts and import all of my products, and they had a really good range of products available for me to choose from, with great availability as well. They have over 140 different production partners around the world, which means that wherever the customer places their order, it's going to be delivered to them as quickly as possible, which is something that's very important to me and was one of the reasons why I was hesitant about using print on demand in the past. One of the other features that I was really pleased to see when I joined Gelato was that you could now connect it to your TikTok shop. I've wanted to offer print on demand products on my TikTok shop, but was worried about delivery because with TikTok shop, you have to deliver products within a certain time period or you face a penalty. Gelato have a specific range of products that are available for TikTok shop that will be delivered within the time frame that's required. So that's a big weight off my mind as well. Customer service is something else that is very important to us as a business. Our company has a fantastic reputation built up over many years, and offering great customer service is something that is really important to us and something we are known for. So when I was choosing my print on demand partner, I wanted to make sure that it was a company that would offer the same customer service that our company is known for.
So, why should you consider print on demand for your small business? Print on demand is a fantastic way for you to keep your business profitable. It allows you to stock a wide range of products without having to have a single item physically in stock on your shelves. This means you don't need so much space to store your products, and also that you're not being bogged down by the day-to-day of processing orders and sending them out to customers. You can either rely on Gelato's automated order processing service, or you can choose to manually approve the orders. Either way, you're going to be saving time and space when you choose print on demand. And also, it's going to be really good for your cash flow. Instead of your money being tied up in lots of stock that are sat on your shelves behind you waiting to be sold, you know that you are only having to spend out for a product when somebody buys it. And not only is it good for your business and good for your cash flow, it's also really good for the environment as well, because there's a lot less wastage. So I wanted to create some new Mother's Day products, but I didn't have the budget to invest in new stock. So this was the perfect opportunity for me to really give Gelato a try for print on demand and adding new products to our storefronts. One of the things that I like is that each of my storefronts is separate on Gelato. So I have a store for Shopify, a store for Etsy, and a store for TikTok Shop. There are also lots of other integrations you can add as well, like Amazon and eBay and other things like that. Keeping the shops separate allows me to offer different products to different customers. So the customer that buys from me on Etsy might not necessarily be the same customer that buys from me through my own website or some of the other platforms that we sell on. And it gives me the opportunity to offer a different range of products. With Etsy in particular, we like to focus on the American market, and using print on demand allows us to do that really easily. So on Etsy, I have specified that America is the main country that people are buying from. This means when a customer in the US buys one of our print on demand products, it is going to be produced locally and shipped to them locally. That means they don't pay any tariffs, there's no customs fees, and not only that, but the shipping is cheaper as well, and it gets to them faster. So it's a win-win all round. Wherever in the world your customer places an order, it will be sent to them from their nearest fulfillment house, reducing the cost of shipping, the time that it takes to arrive, and also the carbon footprint as well of the item. The reason that I chose to specify America as the main source of orders for our Etsy on Gelato was because I wanted to be able to access lots of different types of products that aren't available here to me in the UK because the production partners are not based in the UK. But if a customer was to place an order on Etsy for one of the print on demand items and they were in the UK, it would still be shipped to them from a partner here within the UK. If you've always wanted to offer personalised or customised products, but you didn't have the machinery on site to be able to make them to order, then this is a great way for you to test out those products. Personalised products achieve much higher sales than non-personalised products, and we have built our business from nothing to six figures on 95% personalised products. When somebody's searching for a gift for somebody that they care about, choosing a personalized product just seems that little bit more thoughtful and like more care and attention has gone into the gift buying process. So you will find that if you are able to add personalized products to your business, it can make a huge difference. So let me show you step by step just how easy it was for me to connect Gelato to my different storefronts and how easy it was for me to create these new products for Mother's Day. Connecting Gelato to your storefronts literally takes a couple of minutes and a couple of clicks. You select the platform that you want to connect and then you log in, and that's it. Once your storefronts are connected, adding a product is really easy. You select the add product option and choose whether you want a single product or multiple products. Then you browse the product catalogue. Today I wanted to add a sweatshirt for our Mother's Day collection, so I clicked on the one that I wanted, and you can choose from their predetermined graphics or you can upload your own files. I'm uploading this very simple font-based design onto this sweater, and it shows you how it will look, and you can reposition the design until you get it just the way that you want. You can print on the front or on the back if you prefer, or both. You can add additional colours of sweaters that you would like to offer and in the various different sizes that you want to offer, and then you continue to the mockups page. You can either use their high quality mockups or you can add your own images if you prefer. You just select which mockups you would like to be added to the product page. Then you fill out your title and your description and choose your pricing. Once you've decided how much you want to charge for your products, you click publish. So you can see it's super easy to add your designs to Gelato's product range. And if you are not a graphic designer or an illustrator, they do also have a lot of preloaded graphics and illustrations that you can use on products as well. You can also buy commercially licensed illustrations and graphics from other marketplace websites that you could use on your designs. So don't let that hold you back. We used to manufacture a lot of the products in-house using a sublimation system. And even though we are printing lots of different designs onto blank items, we still had to hold an awful lot of those items in stock. And as a small business, cash flow is very, very important to us. It became harder and harder for us to keep all of these different items in stock, some of which were more popular than others, which meant that we had to discontinue quite a few lines just because they weren't selling enough for us to justify holding the items in stock. But print on demand has changed all of that. I can now bring back a lot of the items that I was forced to discontinue, along with offering new items that we just didn't have the equipment to make. And it means that I can open up completely new revenue streams for my business. One of the things that I've been meaning to try for a long time is phone cases. We used to make these a really, really long time ago, but it was expensive to invest in the equipment that you needed to be able to make all of the different types of phone cases. And as new models came out frequently, it often meant that we had a lot of stock that we couldn't use. Using print on demand with Gelato has meant that I can bring back phone cases again for our customers with either photos on or our own design, which is something that I'm really excited about and have wanted to do for a long time. The stock is updated automatically, so wherever your local production partner is, for us we're in the UK, it means that if somebody goes onto our website and tries to order a phone case, the stock is updated live regularly, which means that if the production partner is out of stock and they can't fulfill the order, it will show on your system and the customer won't be able to place that order for that item, which was another one of the concerns that I had. So if this is all sounding pretty good to you and you want to give Gelato a try, you can sign up with my link and get 50% off your first sample order if you place it within 2 days of joining. There's no subscription and the site is completely free to use, and you only pay when you actually order a product. They do offer an additional service, Gelato Plus, which I would highly recommend because it gives you discounts on products that you're ordering and it allows you to access their personalization studio. Whilst customers can personalize their products, as I mentioned earlier, the personalization studio just gives you even greater depths of personalization in terms of it can display an example to the customer on the website. So as, say for example, you've got a print with names on, as they type their names into the box, it will give them an idea of how it will look on the screen, which I think is a fantastic feature and something that usually you pay a lot of money for if you're adding it externally to your website. Over the coming months, I'm going to be sharing my journey with Gelato and how I've integrated it into my website and storefronts, and how I've been getting on with the sales and the products, because I feel that print on demand is going to be a big part of our business's continued growth. If you've been watching our videos for a while, then you know that things are really tough for small businesses at the moment, and I'm always looking for ways for us to reduce our outgoings and our spend. So for me, print on demand is quite an important part of our business journey, and I really do feel that it is going to be part of the evolution of small businesses going forward. To be able to access so many products that I wasn't able to produce before, certain types of prints, certain types of mugs, all of those things, it just means that I can offer so much more for my customers with no outlay for myself until an order is placed. So I would love to hear from you in the comments if you feel that print on demand and Gelato is something that could really, really help out your small business, which products you might think about trying. And if you do sign up, let me know how you get on. And if you've got any other questions about using Gelato that you want answered, just let me know in the comments and I will do my best to answer them based on the experience that I have had. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this content, then please do like and subscribe, as we post our videos weekly and there are lots more like this on our channel. Thank you.